Welcome back to Smartdrive Future. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla, one of the world's most iconic compact sedans, now redesigned for the future. Whether you're a Corolla fan or someone exploring practical, tech-savvy daily drivers, this model has a lot to offer. Let's explore its design, interior upgrades, and performance enhancements. Starting from the front, the 2026 Corolla boasts a sportier and more dynamic look than ever before. The redesigned grille is bolder, with a honeycomb mesh pattern, flanked by sleeker, sharper LED headlights that give the car a more aggressive stance. The Toyota badge has been repositioned slightly lower into the grille area, adding to the aerodynamic appeal. The sculpted hood lines now extend further to the A-pillars, enhancing the car's confident front profile. Moving around to the back, Toyota has made subtle, yet impactful updates. The taillights are now slimmer, with new LED signatures that provide a high-tech appearance, especially at night. The rear bumper features a more angular design, with integrated reflectors and a diffuser-style lower section that adds a touch of sportiness. A discreet spoiler on the trunk and chrome or gloss black accents, depending on the trim, elevate its upscale feel. On the side, the 2026 Corolla carries a streamlined silhouette with well-defined shoulder lines and a slightly lower stance that improves aerodynamics. The window line has a modern upward sweep towards the rear, and new alloy wheel designs ranging from 16 to 18 inches give each trim its own unique character. Door handles and side mirrors are color-matched and now include optional integrated LED indicators and a camera system for better visibility. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Corolla has been elevated with premium materials and a more tech-focused layout. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a floating 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominate the dashboard, now powered by the latest Toyota Audio multimedia interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a wireless charging pad and upgraded ambient lighting. The seats have improved cushioning and bolstering, with available synthetic leather and dual-zone climate control in higher trims. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla offers a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 169 horsepower, paired with a CVT for smooth efficiency. For those wanting more eco-conscious performance, a hybrid variant is available with improved fuel economy and a refined electric motor assist. Toyota's latest safety suite, including adaptive cruise control and lane tracing assist, comes standard across all trims. That's your full tour of the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future-forward car reviews from Smartdrive Future.